We're working on our 2003 Escape. I want to check the PCV valve. We had an air filter that was pretty plugged up, so we changed that the other day. I didn't show that, obviously, because that's simple, and there's millions of videos about that. But we're going to take some of this stuff off so that we can get to this PCV valve. First thing we need to do is take the engine cover off. To get that off, it's an 8mm socket. There's one here, one here. So this PCV valve is down in here somewhere underneath. So I'm going to pull the ducting out for the air cleaner and see if we can shine a light in there and see where it's at. Alright, these are 8mm. We're going to take those off next. Also disconnected the battery. Those are 8mm. We're going to pull the air filter off. And we're going to pull these hoses off the side here. This one's going to go also. So, I don't know if you can see in there that great. Okay, see this? There's a hose right there. If I can get this to stay. There's a hose right there, kind of back beyond the little teeny one. We need to get that off, and then the PCV is right to the back side of it there. I'm not going to be able to film a lot of that, so I'll kind of come back in when I got it out. Alright, so I got it out. You can see that hole where the light's shining on it. That's where it goes. I had to use a series of different needle nose. These are from Harbor Freight. These are the ones that really got it out. I just had to kind of get in there and just barely turn it, and that came out. I did use some soapy water because those hoses have been on there forever. Real hot soapy water. Sprayed it down, let it sit for a second, and that helped immensely. All right, so I'm gonna go get a new part, and I'll be back. All right, old part, new part. There's a little thing in there that's supposed to move back and forth, make noise, and this is kind of making noise, but not how it should. So let's go ahead and put the new one in. Alrighty, so it's in. You can see a little gray thing down in there, and the hose is on it. I'm going to try and show you what I can here. The other part of the hose that goes to that is right here. It just kind of goes in there. I don't know if you can see that or not, but I'll show you once I get it on there. I know you couldn't see shit, so, but there's the hose right there. So that's all put back together. I did want to replace a couple pieces of this hose that goes on here, but I can't find the right size, so I'm going to use the old one for the time being. If you're doing this, this would be a good time to replace your air filter while you got all that out. Simple. Just take the old one out and slide the old one back in. Pretty easy. And while you're at it, you can clean your mass airflow sensor. They make a spray for that. And if you're feeling really ambitious, you can clean your throttle body. They also make a spray for that. Putting it back together is just reverse of what you did before. All right, let's turn around and see what it does. I forgot I sprayed that mass airflow stuff in it. So that'll kinda bring you down there. Turn down the static. Well, seems to be running. Let's take it for a drive. So I drove it around and everything seems fine. Now it's gonna go get a car wash. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.